Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to use Hostinger domain AI search tool to find your perfect domain. This is the domain name search page of Hostinger. If you don't know how to arrive to this page, simply go to Hostinger using my affiliate link. Thank you for supporting my work. My link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger, link in the description. After arriving at this page, go to this domain page from this corner and you will arrive to this page. To use Hostinger AI or to generate your domain name using AI, click on this little button or switch. Now you need to write a short description of your project or a little AI prompt that I will share with you. This is a list of AI prompts that you can use. For example, the first type is a basic domain search, like show me domain suggestions for a photography website. Let's test this prompt and see what are the results. Landscape.org. By the way, all these domains are available for registration. For example, if you like a domain and you want to go with a .com domain extension, you can simply copy it like that, switch to find new domain, paste your domain and add .com and hit search. Domain is already registered. Sometimes even though the .com extension is available, they show me a .org or a .net extension. So you need to go or to do this manual search from time to time. Let's see the other results or suggestions. imageryhub.net, shutterbug.co, focusonline.show, snapshot world. You can click on this see more options to see more options. The second AI prompt is a niche specific domain suggestions, like suggest domain names for a tech startup, find domain names for a fitness coaching business, show domain names suitable for a pet grooming service. Let's give this third AI prompt a try. groomyourpet.net, Pot Pow Fiction, Pet Groomers Hub, Pawsome Grooming. This is a good domain. .biz, Positive Grooming. This is a nice idea. Now let's go with a keyword-based suggestions. Find domains containing the word travel, or suggest domains with the keyword eco or green. Let's go with the first prompt. Find domains containing the word travel. Explore travel.pets, travelandbeyond.info, travel enthusiasts, travel insights.academy. Now let's go with a creative variations, like show creative domain alternatives for healthylife.com. This is a good or a nice AI prompt that you can use. If you already have a competitive good or if you already have a domain idea, or if you find your .com domain not available, you can ask him or ask Hostinger AI to show you creative domain alternatives for the domain that is not available. healthylife101.com, healthylifestyle.digital. The results were not up to what I was what I was looking for. Find unique variations for shop local. Shoplocal.coffee. As I see, the The Hostinger AI engine is not that creative enough for these creative variations. Now let's go with length specific domains. For example, suggest or find or give me short and memorable domains for a blog. For I will edit this prompt a little bit. Short and memorable domain for a travel blog. Traveljoy.net, roaming routes.info, trip whisperer, explore the world.guide. This is a nice domain. Find domains with only one word. I will edit this prompt with only one word for pet blog. Tails.global, whiskers.network. Not that good. Localized domains, you can go with suggest domains for a bakery in New York City. This is, I think, Hostinger AI will excel with this Hostinger prompt. Urbanpastries.blog, tastytreatsnyc.bio, manhattanbakery.net, deliciousdowny.com, NYC Bakery Delight, brooklynbreadshop.org. This is an SEO optimized domain suggestion. Find domain names for a tourism site in Australia. This is also a localized AI prompt. Ozvacations.tech, visit down under. This may be a good name. Touristaustralia.biz, australiatours.online, wanderdownunder.store. This may be good. Industry specific domains, you can go with show domain names for an online coding school, or suggest domains for a freelance graphic designer. I will go with the first prompt. Onlinecoders.net, this is a good domain name. Programminghub.xyz, Code University, this is good. Digitalcoders.space is a nice domain name. Codingmasters.legal, Coder Bootcamp online, this is a good domain name. Now let's give a try for the brandable names AI prompts. For example, generate brandable domain names for an online perfume store. Let's give this AI prompt a try. Generate fragrancerealm.org, aromadreams.online, this is good. Fragranceherber.net, perfumepalace.restaurant, this is a nice idea. Find catchy and unique domain names for a music app. Now let's go with the multilingual domains. Suggest domains with Spanish keywords for a travel agency. Let's see what the Hostinger domain AI search tool will give us. I think this is Spanish words. Destinos, Rutasi destinos.art, Explora el mundo tools, explore the world, turismo cultural, descubre tu paraíso app, discover tu paraíso, I don't know what this means. Find bilingual domain names mixing English and French for a cafe. Cafe.net, top fait anglais. This is a play word with coffee, top fait anglais. Bilingual bro, café bilingue. Your café el café lieu. This means coffee place. Your café place. Café du monde.shop. English French cafe.org. Audience specific domains. You can go with suggest domains for a millennial focused marketing blog. This is a nice AI prompt. Trendymillennials.pe, millennialpower.zone. This is a nice idea. Millennial trends, young and marketing. This is good for a millennial marketing agency. Marketing for young. This is another good name. Millennial voice, millennial insights. Marketing millennials, millennial marketing hub. I think this is a good marketing for young is a good name. Find domain suitable for a senior citizen fitness website. healthyalts.com, this is good. agelessfitness.tv, mature movement.net, vibrantseniors.org, seniorwellness.club, goldenagefitness.org. This is good. And this is my tutorial for how to use Hostinger domain AI search tool to get your perfect domain name. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like and see you in the next video.